Sa trailer, siyempre may kissing scene kayo ni, ni Angeli. So, kumusta ang halikan ng, sino man, Viva Max Queen at saka Viva Max Princess?
Ano ba yung sasagot ko dito? It was nice. Ayun.
Anong lasa, charot?
Nag-enjoy ka doon ba?
Unang tikim.
Kumusta yung unang tikim?
Kamusta yung unang tikim? Ayun, I'm really happy na nahalikan ko ang Viva Max Queen, si Angelica. It's an honor na nahalikan ko siya. Ayun.
Actually, bawat press con, tinatanong talaga yung nangyayari sa showbiz rin na controversial na sexual harassment. Ikaw ba naka-experience ng ganyan?
I think mostly just online, like on comments and stuff like that. Pero, physically not, wala namang masyado akong experience. But I think kasi every woman has experienced little things like that. And, ayun, it's like something that, yeah, I think we should all give, like, dapat may awareness po tayo dun. Because it's really something na hindi talaga na papansin unless somebody like really speaks out, and even if people speak out, they don't really notice it. Yeah.
Pero anong komento mo or anong masasabi mo sa mga artista na matapang nagsasabi na na-harass sila?
I think I admire their bravery, and I hope that through them speaking out, more people will be held accountable.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.